Hello, my friends. How are you doing today? In today's video, I'm going to introduce you a tool I've just built for myself. I was trying to build a tool to manage my YouTube videos. If you are uploading a lot of videos on YouTube, this may help you to do a mass update about the video title or the video description and even for the video tags. So basically, right now in this tool, you can do you have three editable uh, columns here, okay, for your videos. But of course, you can add more in this tool if you'd like to do other changes for your video, okay. And also, you can put some data like the static data for your videos, like the views, how many views of your video, and how many comments you got for the video, and things like that. Okay, so once you get that kind of data, you can build your own YouTube video performance report for yourself. Okay, and you can, once you have the data, you can have report for your videos. So you can get the top videos, top view videos or top comment videos for your channel. All right. So basically, let me show you how this tool works. All right. So basically, this tool I'm going to share with you here. You will have a menu called YouTube here. Here we have three functions here. The first one, you can get the upload video information from this doc properties. So the second one, if you use this one to retrieve the data for your videos, so the data is real-time data from the YouTube API, okay? Because for the standard user, Google only provides a limit API query quote each day. So if you always try to grab the latest data from their API, so if you have a lot of videos, there will be an issue for that, because for free users, there will be a limit. So if you use it up for the day, so this tool cannot be used, and you have to wait another day. All right. So basically, if you have to refresh the data from the video, you can use the second button to retrieve the data, the latest data. And if you don't need to do that, and you need to do some test or something like that, you can use the first one, because the data I got from the YouTube API, and I store the data in the document properties, and you can retrieve that data for test purpose. Okay, I will show you how to do that later. All right, the last one is the most important function for me, because sometimes I found something I need to update in the video description or video title I'd like to change. If you go to the YouTube studio, you need to update them one by one. You need to click the videos one by one and change the subject you need to change. Okay, but right now here, I can change the title, video description, and the text. And once I did the change in the spreadsheet, and I click this checkbox, and I click this button, and the script we're going to upload the update to YouTube. Okay, so first I'd like to show you how to retrieve the data. So let me delete all of these rows, all of this data here. Now you can see no data in this table. And if I try to get the data from the doc properties, it's going to run the script and grab the data from the document properties. And now you can see I have 74 videos, so refreshed. Okay, so this refresh is not actually the refresh from the YouTube. It's from the document properties. So if you see this refresh add in column J, you can see the the timestamp here is 6:09. So as you can see right now, the current time is 6:38. So this data is not actually the latest data. So all right, so let me show you the second the function. So if I use this one, I try to get the data. It will take a little bit time to do that because I'm going to go to the YouTube API and query for the data. All right, just a little bit longer than the first query. All right, so now as you can see, I have the real-time data. So it's 38, and now my clock here is 39. All right, so that's the difference. But this will going to consume some API quota. Okay, so if you have a lot of video in your channel, this could be an issue. But if you don't have that much videos, just like me, less than 100, I don't think there will be a very big issue. All right. So here you can see I have some information I got from the API. I got this thumbnail, and this video ID is very important. You cannot delete it because this is going to be used for the update. So if we need to update the video data, we need to have this video ID, and this category ID is also very important, just same as this video ID. And this title is also a required field. So for updating the video, okay. So keep that in mind. Don't delete these 3 columns. Right, you need to have them to do the update. And so let me show you how to do an update for the video. So let's get a video which don't have a description. So let's go for videos. I think I uploaded them years ago. Okay, and I haven't started to create YouTube videos for Google Apps Script, and upload some video just for my personal stuff. Okay, just to maybe some videos about my cat, and some videos about the guitar or ukulele. Okay, so let's try to add a description for this ukulele videos. Okay, so let's do for this one, and let's add some hashtags here for maybe for ukulele, and then maybe one more for guitar, maybe whatever music. Okay, so by the way, I played guitar maybe 5 years ago, but I haven't touched them since recently. So it's cost me a lot of time. So maybe sometime in the future, I will going to pick them up because I don't have enough time to do the practice. All right, so I basically add the description here, and I also can have some text here. So for the video tag, you need to separate them with comma. So let's do ukulele. Well, I cannot edit ukulele. So let's do guitar and music. All right. So you updated the text and you updated the description. Let's also update the description. Let's do a Google Apps Script test. Okay, just add something there, and I click this checkbox, and I try to upload the video data. Try to click this function. Okay, I get a message box like this. So it says a video have been uploaded, and this is the title of the video. So, and this is the status. So if something is wrong, you will not get this success message. Okay, so you're going to check that. And once this is success, if you click OK, as you can see here, this checkbox is going to be unchecked. So let me go to this video, and there is a link here. You can go to that video, and okay, I think something is wrong. I cannot see my own video. I'm gonna pause this video, and as you can see here, I just got this title and this video title updated, and also add the description here with 3 hashtags here, and maybe I'd like to go to my YouTube studio to check the text, the video text. Okay, so let's try to find the video here, and what's the name of the video? I think it's a very old video, and go to the next page. As you can see here, I got 74 videos, so I just put all of my videos to that sheet. As you can see, this is the video I just try to update, and if I click this edit button, I should have a field for text. As you can see here, I just update the text for the ukulele, guitar, and the music here. Okay, so basically that's all the functions in this tool. Okay, so because this is 3 main field I'd like to update for my YouTube channel. So if you are trying to do more, you can, of course, you can do that, but you need to update this tool, or you can send me an email, and I can do that for you. All right. So basically, there is a lot of stuff you can do in the YouTube video, and you can add a lot of stuff. And more, you can see here we have more options you can configure. And if you are trying to, so if you think for your channel, if you think something is very important for you, and you do a lot of update on that field, and you maybe need a monthly update or daily update, and you maybe need a tool like this to do update for you, because if you're trying to manage that in this YouTube studio, you need to click this edit button and go to the video and do the update one by one. So that's a nightmare maybe for some people. Okay, so basically that's all I got for you. So now I'd like to show you how to make a copy of this tool, and you can use it on your Google Drive, and we're going to grab the videos from your Google account. Okay, so basically I'm going to share a link with you so you can make a copy to your Google Drive. So you just click that link. Here I'm going to make a copy of it from this file menu. Okay, so I make a copy of this file, and just rename it for YouTube. Alright, so let's save it, and then I'm close this old one, and close my channel. Alright, so once you have a copy of my file, you should be able to see a menu called YouTube here. Okay, something is wrong with my network. Obviously, the firewall is working. Okay. So right now it's a headache in China to use the Google service, I have to say. And I have to use a VPN to access the network. So it's a headache for me. Maybe in the future we can use the network in China for the Google service. That was very good news, and I can take the advantage of my knowledge on the Google's app script to help the people in China. I don't know, who knows. So let's go So once you have this, for the first time, you can click any of this button, and you're going to ask you for the authorization. Okay, so you just authorize them, and okay, need to wait. Maybe the network issue here. Let's try to refresh. Do it one more. One more. Continue. Okay, so choose your Google account, advanced, and so basically we are using the YouTube API. Allow. So I will show you how to add a new field in this report once I complete this process. Okay, so I'm going to add a new column for the maybe for the comments or the likes of your videos. So you can add more columns like this. I'd like to show you how to do that in the script. Okay, I think I've completed the process. Why is still running here? Let's dismiss and try to run this function. Let's hope we can get the data from the database. Okay, so it looks like it's working. All right, so if you don't have to do any change, you can just stop here. So if you'd like to learn more, I'd like to show you the script and to do some modification, and you can do it yourself. Okay, so basically you go to Tools, Script Editor, and I'm sorry for the network, is kind of slow here right now, and have to wait. So basically, and you also can check the YouTube data API. You can check the guides, and you also can check this reference. So I use the reference documentation here to get the data, get the information I'd like to use. So basically here there is a videos, okay, and you can go to this. There is a function here to update the video, and you also can pull the information from the videos. You can check this list function here. Okay, basically you can list. So as you can see here, there will be a code cost. Okay, 1 unit, and for each kind of this data sections, you also have a code cost. Okay, for the part. So if you are going to try to get some information from other things like this, basically I'm getting all the information from the snippet. Okay, I got the data from here, and if you go to where is it? Okay, so basically once you got the video, there will be a JSON object like this. So as the response, and I got the items. So if you have 10 videos in your channel, you're going to get 10 items here, and for each items, we're going to have a video resource. So it's going to be a video object. So in the video object, as you can see here, I got the information from this snippet object. As you can see, you got the information about the title, the description, and the thumbnails. You also can get them, and text. So if you are trying to retrieve some data for the content details like the duration, dimension, things like that, you need to access this object, okay, which is not handled in my object. in my program. Okay, so you need to do that in the script. And a lot of stuff here. I only focus on the video title and the video description and for the text. So I only need to use this snippet object. Okay, so if you go to the code here, I have two files here, so you don't need to worry about this. This is very simple to add the functions button to the menu. Okay, so here you have some functions to get the video IDs. So this function is going to get all the video IDs of my upload. Okay, and this is to get the videos, not the IDs. So basically, I'm going to first get the ID, and I get the videos through these IDs. Okay, and once I get the video, I'm going to send the video data to the sheet. This is how we do the data save. Okay, and the last one is going to use to update the video data. Okay, just update the video information. You did the change in the spreadsheet and send them back to the YouTube server. Okay, this is what we're doing here, and let me do the change for you. So as you can see here in this function, send the video data to the sheet, and I got a lot of video information here for this snippet. As you can see here, once I got the videos, okay, I'm going to loop through them one by one, and I store them in the document properties. And I got the video ID, channel ID, category ID. So you can add more, because let me show you if you try to use this snippet. And more here. Let's try to show you some videos dot 0, not like this, items. What's wrong with that? Items. This weird. I don't know why it's not working now. Maybe I do it here. So basically, once you get your videos, okay, you can access these items. These items should be array. So let's access the first one. And in these items, you can get the information like this. So for my project, I only have this snippet, and this is statics. So statistics data, maybe let me show you this first. So in this data, you have your comments count, dislike count, favorite count, and like count. So basically 5 numbers you can use. And for the title and description, you need to access this, okay, this object here. And you can have all of this stuff you can use. So basically I use title, I use the thumbnails, text, published at. So this location lies, I didn't use it in this project. And the live broadcast content, I didn't use it. And description, of course, and language. So basically all of this stuff you can get from this object. Okay. So I grab all of this information and I put them in an object, and I push them into these properties. Okay, this properties is an object I'd like to save to the document properties. Okay, so let's save it. So I didn't use all of this data in this spreadsheet, as you can see. I only pick on a few of them. Okay, so let's try to add these comments count to the Google Sheet. Okay, so here you have it, so you can use it. If you don't have the data in this object, you cannot use it in here. All right, so here I'd like to add a comments count after the views. Okay, let's do it comments. So you put them in comma, and you need to just separate like this. Okay, the comma separate them and code them as a string. And once you have the header and the comments column in the header, and you need to put the real values for each rows. Okay, so it does like here. We add the data here in this loop. So we basically loop through all the videos and add the data here. As you can see here, we got a video data, video views. So we basically added the video and I think his comments. So we basically pull the comments from this video object and save it, and you should be able to use it now. And if you try to refresh this data from the document properties, why it asks for the authorization again? What's wrong with it? I don't know, this is very weird. I think I've already done it. Okay, let's do it again. And try to run this function. Okay. Now you can see here, you have these comments, this column. Okay. So I will leave it here. So you make a copy of this file, and you should have this comments column here. But you can add more if you like. So you can add the likes or dislikes, and even for the favorites. So it's all here: favorite, dislike, like. Okay, so maybe I'd like to do it right now, so you don't have to do it by yourself. Okay, so I don't have a lot of likes, so maybe likes, dislikes, and favorites. Okay, you add 3 columns in the header, and you need to put the data here after the comments. Let's do copy and paste, because I don't want likes, dislikes, and favorites. Save it. So try to refresh. Okay. Oh, okay, I do have some likes here. Thanks for you guys. And so it looks like everything is working fine. Okay. And I'm going to end it here. So if you'd like to add more information about this tool, so add more functions, I'd like to say, and you can leave comments below my video, and you also can send me email. Okay, email will be better because comments. So right now I don't have a lot of comments, but of course you can do that anyway. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.